Do you enjoy creating double page layouts? Hi guys, my name is Jana Eubank. Today I am sharing a double page layout that I created for the winter 2023 issue of Scrapbook Cards Today magazine. Now for this article, we were sharing our favorite memory of 2023, and for me, that is any time that I can spend time in the mountains. The collection I am working with is the Bella Blvd Lake Life collection, and I just flipped through all the items that I had there just so you could get a feel for this collection and how cute it is. I love the Bella Blvd collections. They're always so happy and so cheerful, and they brighten up my memories. They're a lot of fun to work with. Now these photos are of me and my husband and my daughter when we had a quick getaway to McCall, Idaho, which is on the southern point of Payette Lake. It's one of my most favorite places to go, and we really just went there to relax. In fact, every day we spent sleeping in, watching videos, eating out, and just kind of hanging out around town. We didn't even go out on the lake on this trip, which was fine because we were really there to just rest and recharge. So I'm starting out with the Bella Blvd collection kit pack, and what I love about their packs is that they include 2 of every paper. This is perfect for those of you who love to create double page layouts, or if you're like me, you just love to collect pattern paper. Like, I can't get enough of pattern paper. I reach for it for backgrounds, for matting, for layering. I love it. And I love the options of the colorful A-side patterns, but you also have a lot of tonal B-side patterns, which are perfect for this background. As you can see, I'm using the navy scallop for the background. I used the red tonal plaid to map my photos, and I'm even using this tonal wood grain plaid or the pattern as strips. And then I'm also adding in that tonal fish pattern. The little splashes of color that I'm using from the A sides of the paper are that stripe and then that darling floral that is accenting my photo on the right page. So I'm going to go ahead and get this page assembled. I basically set out my background design, and so I'll go ahead and adhere the rest of this off camera, but then we'll get started with the embellishing. Speaking of that beautiful floral, you're going to see that I have it in a large piece. I'm going to end up cutting the top and bottom of that yellow floral piece into a banner shape. This is just to add a little bit of a different shape to the page and more detail. Now, throughout the design of the page, I'm going to be showing the layout with just one single layer with that yellow floral, but you'll see in the very end, I do decide to come back and layer another pattern paper with that, so be sure to pay attention to that. Now, I wanted the top and bottom to be the same, so I went ahead and cut one side, and then I just lightly bent the page over and traced the other end and followed that shape so that both ends would be similar to one another. So we'll go ahead and add some navy blue ribbon around the bottom of this just to bring in a soft texture, and I will add that, or I will accent the center of that knot of the bow with some of the die cuts from the collection. I will use a floral die cut, and then I will layer one of the Bella Pops on top of it, and you will watch me create that. Now, as we get started with the collection, I'm going to pull out the chipboard pieces first. I was really drawn to this navy colored title called Together. I thought it would be a really fun title to use with this page of my husband and my daughter and I on our vacation. The style of the script is so cute, and I love the navy color. Now, you will see me switch that out later on as I flip through the words ephemera, because I find one that says Lake Life that has like the white offset shadow around it that just pops a little bit better against that tree pattern paper and makes that title just stand out a lot more. I'm going to place this Sun Bella Pop in the top left corner, or the top right corner of my first main photo on the left page, and I love the shiny accents that adds. I will also pull off some of the pine trees because I want to create a little forest around my page, and then I will add the waves to the bottom of that photo of my daughter on the beach. Now, if you're familiar with Bella Blvd collections, you know that the ephemera packs are huge. In fact, they have so many pieces. You could create an entire album with those those ephemera packs. There's an icon pack, and there is a words pack that has titles and phrases and things like that. You will watch me flip through those packs and put together some embellishment clusters all over my page. Now, I love using a mixture of icons and words in each of my embellishment clusters, so you'll watch me as I do that. And then I also really love to create little scenes on my pages, especially when there's a collection that includes critters. And this collection has lots of cute forest critters, fish, there's frogs. I included some butterflies and even a little squirrel. So you'll see me put those together as we watch this layout. Now I did clip out a lot of my searching through the ephemeras just because there was so much, and it really did take me a long time to decide and kind of balance the colors all around the layout. And so you'll see me just kind of jump as we put this page together. Hopefully you can follow that fairly easily. I just didn't want you to have to watch me, sift through every little piece, but definitely check out this collection. It's so cute. I can't wait to create even more layouts with it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and watch these embellishment clusters form together. I'm really happy with the way that this page is coming together, and I just love all of the cute details that these little critters add. I'll add one final epoxy sticker to the top left corner, and then I'm going to come back in and switch out this banner strip. You can see that I chose the aqua plaid, and then I cut a smaller center section of that yellow floral, and I think the layered look looks a lot better on this part of the page. It just adds some additional pattern, which, like I mentioned before, pattern paper is one of my absolute favorite supplies. I'll use some undo to undo my layout and lift everything up, and then I'll just replace all of the embellishing like I had it before, just this time on top of that layered banner. Alright guys, I will come back with a final journaling block that I have punched with a notebook punch along the edge, and then that will complete my layout. This is the Bella Blvd Lake Life collection. This double page layout was created with for an article for the winter 2023 issue of Scrapbook Cards Today magazine. Be sure to come and check out that issue. You can look at it for free online, or even better yet, if you love print like I do, be sure to subscribe to their magazine. There's so many beautiful ideas in there, and it comes out 4 times a year. It's the perfect little gift for yourself. All right guys, have a great week. We'll see you next time.